Welcome to EasySwitch, the remote-controlled high-current switch that ensures safe and reliable switching of high DC currents. Whether for industrial applications, vehicles, or boats, EasySwitch guarantees efficient control, greatly simplifies installation, and reduces costs. With a current carrying capacity of up to 150 amps for the 15-volt, 100 amps for the 30-volt, and 75 amps for the 60-volt, EasySwitch is designed to handle particularly high currents, enabling it to switch even large consumers effortlessly. The EasySwitch is available in 3 voltage versions. Parallel connections and versions with higher current capacities are available upon request, making it incredibly versatile. The extremely low on-resistance minimizes heat generation, reduces overall energy consumption, and extends the service life of the system. Due to the low heat generation, a heatsink is typically not required, saving both costs and space. The EasySwitch can be controlled either via screw terminals, like conventional SSRs, or through a ribbon cable. This gives you the flexibility to choose between traditional wiring or a quick, flexible connection, saving time during installation and reducing wiring requirements. Thanks to the solder jumper for configuring the ribbon cable connection, the EasySwitch can be easily customized to meet your specific needs. The jumpers allow you to quickly select the desired wire, making it possible to operate multiple EasySwitches over a single ribbon cable. With its extremely low power consumption and high efficiency, the EasySwitch contributes to energy savings, ensuring that your system always operates at peak performance. It's ideal for battery-powered applications and systems where sustainable energy use is a priority. The EasySwitch, your reliable high-current switch for safe, efficient, and cost-effective control of DC currents. With innovative features like low on resistance, a wide voltage range, and easy installation, EasySwitch is the perfect choice for modern demanding systems. Visit our website for more information and make your system more efficient and cost-effective.